It is a common misconception that AI in Excel is solely about difficult to use features. In reality, one of the most powerful tools of Excel, Flashfill, has been in use for several years. Flashfill exemplifies the practical application of AI, employing pattern recognition to streamline and automate data entry and transformation tasks. So here you can see that we have an example in which in the first column we have the first and the last. Now in the second column I want the first initial and last name like this. So I'll type the first initial, then I'll give a period, and then I will type the last. Then I will hit enter. Now you can see the moment I go to type the letter M of the second row, you can see the AI feature of Excel kicks in and it starts the flash fill. You can see all the other values are shown at the bottom. Now you can just press the right arrow key and you can get the results in all the lower columns. So this is how you can understand that a simple feature like flash fill is a classical example of AI in Excel and it has been in use for several years. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.